To our media friends, magandang hapon po. Thank you for joining us. To our bosses and sa ating mga legends po. Hello po, pinapanood ko din po kayong bata pa lang ako. Baka hindi pa ako pinapanganak. But my story with Milo is so much different naman. Well, it was part of my childhood, but I'm part of the Milo siguro family for about 10 years na rin ako with Milo. So thank you so much for allowing me to be part of this incredible family. I'd say siguro, kasi I think one thing I appreciate with Milo, as Kuya Chris said, and Miss Bea, they really continue to support athletes on and off the court. Maybe after their careers, but also in life to be champion in life. So maraming salamat po. So hindi tayo dapat mag-retire after kasi Milo will always be there to support us. Kidding aside, but yeah, siguro my journey as an athlete was different also from other people. I started pretty late as compared to all the Milo athletes here. I started probably at 10 or 12 years old already with formal training. Really just lucky to be able to find great coaches and great teammates alongside who supported me for me to be able to really excel in this sport. So I just really want to commend and say thank you also to my coaches. And Milo, honestly, I never really thought I would be part of this kind of family. I was just really siguro playing volleyball because it was just a hobby. Honestly, I played volleyball because my brother just hit me on the face, and that was the start of my motivation to really learn volleyball. So after that, I really just continued to play. Really never thought that I would end up playing a professional at this professional level and being able to be part of the national team. But what I've learned from from the sport, from volleyball, it's not really about winning. It's really the values you learn in sports. It's the discipline and you wake up early morning, you train, and you dedicate and committed yourself into the sport. And I think we cannot get that, or we cannot learn that from sabi nga ni Ms. Caron in the four corners of our classroom, but definitely in sports. So I'm bringing that also on and off the court. And one thing I really appreciate from Milo, wala pa po kasi volleyball mga camps noon with Milo, but I'm really happy that Sir Carlo announced that volleyball is part of the barangay program in Liga. So maraming salamat, Milo, because I think there are a lot of young athletes who really want to really enjoy sport, and most especially volleyball in this country. And one thing I actually learned from Milo as well is that to pave the way also. I honestly, in my personal time din po, I'm paving the way for all these athletes. I have my own camp supporting the sport for all the aspiring athletes to be interested in volleyball or in sport. I think one thing na natutunan ko kasi sa Milo, hindi naman po na kailangan kung ano yung first sport mo, yun agad yung sport mo. That's why they really open a lot of sports camps, kasi they want kids to really explore and really know what they want pagdating po sa kung anong lalaro nila in the near future. So I started my volleyball camp not really saying that the kids should play volleyball, but actually saying that kids should have interest in sports, and yun yung kailangan natin. And Milo has been doing that, so maraming salamat sa Milo. And for sure, because of your programs, mas madami pong mga national athletes ang mag-represent ng ating bansa. Future athletes na magbibigay ng champion medals and champion energy for the Philippines. And we just want to say congratulations also to EJ and to all the other athletes who will be representing our country in this coming Olympics. So we pray for them, we cheer for them, and we're all the best. And congratulations again for this milestone.